Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in kitchen appliances. Today, we have something that's been making waves in the world of sandwich makers, the Oventi electric sandwich maker with non-stick plates. If you're a fan of delicious, crispy sandwiches, you're in for a treat. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this review. Let's get started. The Oventi electric sandwich maker boasts some fantastic features that make it stand out from the competition. First and foremost, it's incredibly efficient, capable of making hot sandwiches in just minutes. Whether you're craving a classic grilled cheese, a hearty tuna melt, or a fluffy omelette, this sandwich maker has you covered. One of the things we love about this appliance is its user-friendly design. It comes with a power indicator light that tells you when it's on, and a preheat light that signals when it's ready to cook. No guesswork involved. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but not with this sandwich maker. Thanks to its non-stick coating, food effortlessly releases from the plates, leaving them a breeze to clean. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth, and you're good to go. Now, if you're tight on kitchen space, don't worry. This Oventi sandwich maker is compact and lightweight, making it a perfect fit for dorm rooms, small apartments, and kitchens of all sizes. Plus, it stands upright for easy storage, taking up minimal cabinet space. Safety is always a top priority, and this sandwich maker has it covered. The cool touch locking handle ensures that heat dissipates, preventing any accidents. And those anti-skid feet keep it firmly in place during operation. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that Oventi stands behind their product. They offer a 1-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence. In conclusion, the Oventi electric sandwich maker with non-stick plates is a game-changer for anyone who loves delicious, hassle-free sandwiches. Its efficient heating, easy cleaning, and compact design make it a top choice in the market. So, if you're in the market for a sandwich maker, look no further. For more information and to purchase this fantastic sandwich maker, check the description below. And as always, let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've tried this product yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.